Good morning, Frank Watkins with Kylie.
Good morning.
Okay, a quick word on the all odds. Nothing out of the ordinary at the moment. Just a little pullback, which, much as it hurts, I'm actually enjoying it because it gives us this opportunity of the higher low setup. Must admit, a bit surprised at down 60 at the moment, with the Dow up 80. However,
last day of financial year, maybe?
Actually, that's the point, yeah. It's June the 30th.
It is.
Look, just for a bit of difference today, I thought I'd rattle through a few stocks that people have shown an interest in lately, or for some other reason. Firstly, TLX. This has been coming up on a higher low scan, and I'd be very keen to see a break of the $5 level. Long-term significant low, the first rally, higher low, possibly a higher high here, but to my mind the structure of that is all intact. BRN, people been looking at this for a long time. To my mind, it's had a crack at this first breakout, retraced to that breakout, retraced to support. Bit of a back off now. I think the next thing for BRN is a close or two above the $1 level. No one's selling off, no great volume, so I think there's something brewing with BRN. A mention with Costa. If ever there's a defensive stock, this is the one. While it stays above the 290 level roughly, quite happy. It's bouncing around a lot, but OBV pretty well rock solid. The next one, CXO. People are always interested in this one. We've had a lot of fun with CXO. I'm going to get rid of that resistance line. I'm going to get rid of that breakout and just try and find where we actually are. And we seem to have gone back, bounced off this support level from where we gapped up. So I think probably we've seen the lows for CXO. It's a case now of where do we enter.
I'm just saying lower highs, lower lows to be fair.
Yep, it's still definitely a case of lower highs.
Bit of work to do.
Lower lows, it's got a fair bit to do. The rally here was done on lower and lower volume, so the buying is not there at the moment. De Grey, this also has fallen way out of favour. I'm going to go to weekly and 2 years. In fact, I bring in 5 years on that, and I guess at best you could be looking for a bit of support at around the 75-cent level. Again, it's lower highs, lower lows, OBV fading, and I think this is just a victim of it's a long time between finding a lump of gold and production, bearing in mind that gold stocks are just not performing much at the moment anyway. Fortescue, people are always interested in Fortescue. Actually, I'm going to delete all the drawings on this. Go back to daily 1 year. It is possible that we're going to go back and close this gap. We still have lower highs, we sort of lower lows, no buying coming in, and this is all despite the tasty looking dividend of 16.14% fully franked. I'll be intrigued to see if that dividend keeps coming at that yield. But you can see there's no great interest in buying at the moment. And Kylie, you wanted to talk about PNV and anything else.
This is, I think, the best looking chart I've seen.
You want to get rid of all that stuff?
No, leave it there. It's sort of still relevant to me. It's closed above this line, which I'm pretty excited about. It's staying above that breakout. So it's finding support now at resistance. So that I like, in the OBV staying solid, going up. So yeah, I think that's had higher highs, higher lows. Everything about that ticks all the boxes for me.
It's also very ascending triangle, isn't it?
Yep.
If we were going to start looking at that, we could look from $1 to $1.35, so 35 cents on top of the ray takes you to about $1.70.
Yeah.
Any others caught your eye?
No, to be honest, that really is the only one that I've seen that I've got slightly excited over.
Well, it's good to see you excited over something.
Yeah.
Okay.
And the 1st of July tomorrow.
Yeah. Yes. Right. Okay. Thank you all. We'll talk later.